Okay, I'm set up for my zipper foot now. I'll take this off and show you real quickly. On the zipper foot you have a right side and you have a left side. That way you can snap it on either side. Since I am sewing on this side, I'm going to have it on this side and I'll put it on this side of the clamp. And I want this straight edge right up against my opening of the zipper. I have it on the first button. I have it down to, let's see, 3 on the top one, how far the stitches are going to be apart, and I have it down to 3.5 on the bottom one. And I should be all set to go. And I press my top button where the red's on so my needle will stop in the down position. And oops, how come it's not going anywhere? It's not catching on the feet, so let's see if I can move this up just a hair so it will catch on the feet. There we go. And try it again. There it goes. Now different people do this different ways. I find that this is the easiest way for me. Put that in the down position so my needle stays down. Now when you get very close to the top of the zipper, what I'm going to do, the needle is in the down position and I don't want this to be in my way, so I'm going to lift up my foot, I'm going to zip that past that, and I'm going to lay this down, lower my foot, and continue on going down the zipper. And you'll continue on doing that until you're at the end of the zipper. And I will actually go all the way to the end of my thing. And that takes care of that side. And now my zipper is attached on one side of my fabric. And it opens and closes. And it has a little bit of a lip to it so it doesn't get stuck. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now on the other side, I'm going to take this and I'm going to move my foot onto the other side. And I'll take my other piece of fabric that I have all set up. And I will butt it up to the other one so it's nice and closed. Pick up that foot, lower it, and start my sewing. And what I try to do is I try to keep those edges closed. The zipper foots are like the easiest ones to put in, I think, myself. Gives you a nice finished look of sophistication. Now, I'm at the point where I can lift my foot, my needle's still down. I'm going to unzip that zipper past that foot. My needle's still down there, and I'm going to just hold that, lower it, and continue all the way to the end. And just finish that up. Button up. And I am done. And my zipper foot is attached in the where I want it to be. Let me see if I can give you a nicer view of it. But this is the zipper foot right there. Now I'm going to show you how to close up the ends. The way I do it is probably not as nice as what some people would do. What I do is on this end, I'll take this zipper foot off. I'll put back on my regular foot. I'll go back to the zigzag again. And I want to go about 4, and I'm going to go about 5 across, and that will give me a zigzag, and I'll line that up right in the middle, right to where my end is, where I zigzagged. I am going to clamp that down, and I'm going to do a zigzag all the way to the end, and I'm going to back it up also. And do it one more time. And that closes my end on that side, so it doesn't open up. And now I'm going to do it on the opposite side, where the zipper is. Now this can be a little bit tricky because you don't want to have it not line up right. So we're going to go past that zipper. Going to have it lay flat, and what we're going to do is we're going to go right to the very end of that zipper. Make sure that it's nice and flat. Lower your feet. And we're going to do the exact same thing. All the way down. And then I'm going to hit the back button. Go all the way back where I was. just where I was. And now I'm going to zip right back down the end of it again. Pull it out. And now my zipper foot is complete. Other than a few little strands of threads that I need to snip off. If you want it to look nicer, use the exact same color thread as you would fabric. I did not do that because I wanted to show you how this is going to be, and the person I give this to won't care that the thread's not the same color. But that's your back of your pillow now. And what I'll do now is I will take this to my cutting board. It's already the same width, but it's a lot longer than what I need. So now I'll cut them both the exact same size. I'll cut this extra fabric off so they're the same size, so my front and back are ready to be sewn together to make my pillow.